Want a plan that actually works? Let me show you in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Define the true target. Most people set goals, but they're vague. Get fit. Grow on YouTube. That's not a plan. A real target is specific, with a deadline, not grow on YouTube. Upload 2 videos every week for 30 days, not get fit. Lose 3 kilograms by August 1st. Step 2. Know your X and Y. This is what most people skip. Don't plan for when everything goes right. Plan for when things go wrong. Use this. If X happens, then I will do Y. If I feel lazy, I'll work for 10 minutes anyway. If I crave junk, I'll eat something healthy instead. Step 3. Anchor and activate. This is the most important step, because plans fail when you rely on motivation. Attach your plan to something you already do. After brushing your teeth, check your plan. After opening your laptop, start your first task and use reminders. Because motivation fades, but systems don't. That's how you stop making plans and start following them.